Well, that bottom section's really taken off now. There goes the top. Every once in a while I get a really nice strong gust, and that's into the batteries now under load. Into a 12-volt battery bank. Sure wish I had another section like that bottom section on top right now. It'd be really interesting to see see the amperage output. Okay, that says 12, but that's off. And there's our amperage. And I'm guessing the wind probably just died down a little bit. I bet you that was, well, there we go, up to about 20. This thing of focus right here. I did fry the grid tie inverter again, so I'll have to either figure out what's wrong with them again and fix them. I blew a capacitor on one of them. The other one just quit yesterday by itself. I don't, it's probably got high amperage like this again and couldn't handle it. Didn't have Steve's limiter connected when this happened. I just sent it back to him for exchange for a different one. I'm thinking if I'd had that on there, I would have saved it.